Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here as always. Welcome to my channel. So today we are not even going to waste time. I'm going to be doing the Sisi Yemmie's challenge. She said if you can cook a family meal, dinner or something for 1,500. So for me that would be like $5. So I'll definitely try to make that work. So let's see what I can cook with $5. Okay, I'm trying to think what can I cook with $5, but let's see what I can cook with $5. Come to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hey, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. If you love everything motherhood, lifestyle vlogs, all those good stuff, if you like everything cleaning, motivation, organization, hauls and all those things, just go ahead. This is the channel for you. Go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next upload. End of this video, of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, leave your comment down below what you think. Did I do well? How did I do? Okay, just to go ahead and without much talking, I've already talked too much. Let's just get started. Yeah, I don't think I will be going out to buy anything as I have more likely everything here, but I'll be showing you guys and I'll be telling you the price range for everything that I'm going to be using today. So yeah, you guys, I am back. This is what I have here. So today we'll be making spaghetti. This is the spaghetti right here, and yeah, these are like the tiny ones. It's not like the normal size of spaghetti that you normally get, but these are like the tiny ones, so I'll be using these tiny ones. I have here my vegetable pack. This is my vegetable pack. Oh, the spaghetti is like maybe one of these. They always sell it in pack for like maybe $4 or $3, but it's not even up to that. But and the pack is like 6 inside. So one of it, let's just say it's $1, right here. And then I have these vegetable packs. They normally sell it for 98 cents, which is practically $1, right? And then I have this right here. I mean, this is not even a necessity. Like, I can eat spag like that, but I just decided to add this. So, and of course you have your oil. So let's see how we make this work. And yeah, tomato paste, I already have that in the fridge. Maybe I don't like too much tomato sometimes, so I'll just use like 2 tablespoons. So let me bring you guys inside. We are already inside the kitchen, but let me bring you guys closer. So you guys, this is cooking right now. You don't have to wait for it to get too soft. I think this is enough for me, so I'm going to just go ahead and pour this out. So, go ahead, put in your thyme, oil. I'm teaching you how to cook now, no? I'm not teaching you how to cook. This is not my food channel. I have a food channel. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link on the description box, in the description box down below, and you can go ahead and check that out. Then you go, so you heat up your oil. Oh, this fridge. So you go ahead, add your onion. Don't mind me, I burnt my pot. I've been trying to wash this off, but it's not, man, I don't know what else to do. If you have any suggestion, please tell me how I can wash this thing right here off. Please tell me, because I don't know. And this is a cast iron pot, so I'm not supposed to use like any iron thing on it or something. But this is frustrating right here. So while I'm doing that, while I'm frying all the fry, I am also going to be making the frying plantain. I just decided to add plantain to it. I mean, it's just like 3 worth of plantain. So that's what I'll be adding to it. That should be fine. And that doesn't cost much. Like everything, trust me, everything I am doing here isn't more than $5. Okay, just want a little bit of something in there. Let's go ahead. Thank God this boy is sleeping. If not, I cannot even do this video and talk peacefully. Thank God he's sleeping. So now I told you I already have my tomato paste. I'll just add, yeah, this is the milk. Have some ground pepper as well. You see? So for the sake of my children, let them eat food in peace. I'm not going to put too much, even though I love pepper. So yeah, you guys, this is it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add all the medemeders, you know, add all your, what is it called again? How can I forget? Add all your already have your spices. Can you imagine? Eh? It's what I cannot remember again. I'm just going to go ahead and add this right here and add up the vegetables. You see, it's way easier for me like this. See, this is a very simple dinner to make. This is very, very easy, very simple. So now spaghetti time. So yeah, spaghetti time. Of course, make sure you put everything on. Don't leave anyone out. My life. So of course, tasty. So cover it up and leave it while we deal with this. Ooh, juicy. Look at that. Our fried plantain is ready. So guys, as we are waiting for, I love this camera though. Like, I love how it focuses, like boom, boom, boom. Cheers. As we are waiting for the spaghetti to get ready, this is the smoothie I made for myself. I have a food channel, Cook with Ada. If you're not on that food channel, me, I don't know what you're waiting for, Sha. I don't know what you're doing. Like, what are you doing? See? So chill, so good. I mean, so guys, if you're not subscribed to my food channel, I'll leave link in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and subscribe and support me on my food channel and follow me there, because I bring out some amazing recipes. Okay, so guys, food is ready, so we can, let me try and dish this out so we can have it takes guys, food is ready. Look at that. Let me show you. Focus. Look at that plate of goodness. Look at that. Focus. Look at that. So let's see how this is, because we need to test our food. Let me go with the fish. Let's see how it will be. Oh, Sisi yemmie for this challenge. Like, you guys, look at this food. It's so yummy. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed, come on, sister, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, click on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss my next upload. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and of course back to Sisi yemmie so that she can see this video, because I did my own challenge. So yeah, that's about it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Meanwhile, bye bye. Let me finish my food. Bye.